Hi everyone! Welcome to Princess Design Academy. Today, we have something truly magical. Princess Elsa has turned into a beautiful angel. Are you ready to see her sparkly wings? Let's start this heavenly adventure. Let's start with Elsa's long, golden hair. It's so shiny. And look at these cute flowers in her braid. I'm choosing a soft pink to match her angel look. Do you like flowers in your hair too? I think it looks so royal. Now, the most important part, the angel wings. They are huge and so soft. I'm using a very light blue, almost like the sky. Elsa looks so peaceful. She's flying high above the ice castle. Today, can you see the fluffy feathers? If you could have wings, what color would they be? Look at her magic halo. It's glowing. And her blue dress is perfect for an angel princess. We are almost ready for the magic touch. Are you excited? I can't wait to add the glitter. Hello, Princess Elsa. Oh my, you look so different today. Do you have wings? Yellow. Are you ready to fly over the Arendelle Castle, Elsa? You look so peaceful as an angel. Blue. Wow, Elsa, your halo is so bright. Is it made of magic ice? It's beautiful. Don't worry, Elsa, we're going to make your wings the shiniest ones in the sky. Your hair is so long and golden today. Elsa, do you like these pink flowers in your braid? Let's paint your dress with your favorite ice blue. You always look so royal in blue, princess. Look at your wings, Elsa. They are so big and fluffy. Are they soft like clouds? Are you happy today, Elsa? Your eyes are shining, like diamonds. Can you fly really high with these wings, Elsa? Can you touch the stars? Pink. Is it cold up there in the sky? Or do the sparkles keep you warm? I bet Anna and Olaf are going to be so surprised when they see you like this. Wait, Elsa, let me add a little more gold to your halo. There. Now you look like a real queen angel. Are you ready for the magic touch, Elsa? Close your eyes. 1, 2, 3, sparkle. Oh my! Elsa, you are glowing. Your wings are full of magic glitter now. You are the most beautiful angel I have ever seen. Look at that shine. Do you feel the magic, Elsa? Every star on your dress is twinkling. Thank you for being our angel today, Elsa. You did a wonderful job. Have a safe flight back to the castle. Don't forget to visit us again soon. Goodbye, Princess Elsa. We love your magic sparkly wings.